Hi friends, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our channel Namma, which means food from our kitchen. You might have already known that prawns is one of my favorite seafood. So today I am back with a successful experimental prawns dish from my kitchen, and that is prawns gravy or prawns masala. We are going to use some special ingredients in order to prepare this prawns masala. So let us see what are the ingredients that we need. We will need prawns half kg, 2 big size onions, and I've grinded this into a fine paste, 3 medium sized tomatoes, and I've grinded this as well, ginger garlic paste 2.5 teaspoon, 3 green chilies, few curry leaves, coconut oil 1.5 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1/4 tablespoon, coriander powder 3 teaspoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 2.5 teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder half teaspoon, garam masala 3/4 teaspoon, pepper powder 3/4 teaspoon, kasuri methi 1 tablespoon, few coriander leaves, and salt as per taste. So as I've already told you, I have cleaned the prawns and washed it with water for around 3 times by adding some salt. So this is the clean prawns that I've kept aside. Let us go ahead and keep a kadai over the stove. Add some coconut oil. Once the coconut oil is heated, let's add the ground onions. Fry them well until the raw smell goes off. Now let us go ahead and add ginger garlic paste. And fry it for a minute or two. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste and onion goes off, let's go ahead and add the tomato paste that we had prepared earlier. Now let's go ahead and mix this well. Now cook this masala. If you would like to watch any of my previous videos, I would request you to click on the I button that is displayed on the top right corner or on the link that is available on the description box of this video. Now let us go ahead and fry this until the oil gets separated. Now as you see, the tomato has changed the color and the oil has started separating. Now let us go ahead and add slit green chilies. Mix them and fry it for a minute. Let's go ahead and add the curry leaves. Fry it for a minute. Now as you see, I am frying this masala well. I'm frying this masala in a medium-low flame. Let us fry this masala until the raw smell goes off. Now let us go ahead and add all the masalas. I'm adding turmeric powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, Kashmiri chili powder, chili powder, garam masala. Now let us go ahead and fry this masala for around 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. And once the masala is fried, let's go ahead and add the cleaned prawns. As you see on the left hand side, that is the prawns head that I'm going to use. I have chopped off the sharp edges of the prawns head and cleaned it well. So we are going to use the prawns head in this recipe. Let us mix the masala and the prawns gently. Add some salt and mix it well. Now let us go ahead and add some water as per the consistency that you need for this prawns gravy or prawns masala. Now let us go ahead and mix this well. And close this lid for around 5 minutes and let the prawns cook for around 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, as you see the prawns are cooked well, make sure that you do not overcook this prawns as it will turn harder as you overcook. Now let us go ahead and add some pepper powder and then turn off the gas after a minute. Now keep a tempering pan over the stove and add some kasuri methi once the tempering pan is heated. Let's dry roast this for a minute. Let's go ahead and crush the kasuri methi with hands and then sprinkle it over the gravy. Finally, let's go ahead and add the chopped coriander leaves and close it with a lid. By doing so, the aroma of the kasuri methi and coriander leaves will enhance the flavor of our prawns masala or prawns gravy. As you see, this is how simple it was to prepare this awesome experimental dish. I request you to try this recipe at your home and comment down below if you like it, and also please make sure that you like this video if you like the recipe. Our yummy, tasty and delicious prawns gravy or prawns masala is ready to be served. This could be served with some hot rice or some chapatis as well. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.